Ever wondered how a jet engine works? Let me break it down for you in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Air enters the engine through the front. It's like breathing in deeply before a big moment. Step 2. The air gets compressed, making it super dense. Think of it as squeezing a balloon to pack in more air. Final step. Fuel is added and ignited, creating a powerful explosion. This pushes the hot gases out the back, propelling the jet forward. And just like that, you're soaring through the skies. Pretty amazing, right? Next time you fly, remember the science behind it.